Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hotjar to improve onboarding UX for no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Hotjar website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Sites tab to add your no-code application. Enter the URL of your application and proceed. Hotjar will prompt you to install a tracking code. Follow the instructions to add the tracking code to your app. Once the code is in place, return to the Hotjar dashboard. Next, set up a new project specifically for onboarding analysis. Click on the Recordings tool in the left sidebar. Enable session recordings to observe user interactions during onboarding. Customize the recording settings to focus on first-time users. Once configured, return to the dashboard. Next, set up heatmaps to visualize user engagement. Click on the heatmaps tool in the sidebar. Create a heatmap for key pages in your onboarding process. Specify the URLs where you want to track user activity. Adjust the settings to capture data from new users only. Now, let's configure feedback polls for real-time insights. Click on the Surveys tool in the left sidebar. Choose to create a new survey that targets onboarding experiences. Draft questions to understand user challenges and areas for improvement. Set the survey to trigger after a user completes the onboarding process. Next, consider using the funnel analysis feature. Click on the Funnels tool in the sidebar. Define the steps in the onboarding process you want to track. Create a funnel report to identify where users drop off. Regularly check the recordings, heatmaps, and surveys to gather data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.